Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the theme of conflict? Well, look no further. The evidence videos provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore the theme of conflict in a tragic play, Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Young men's love then lies not truly in their hearts, but their eyes. A social comment, and one which serves to shed a friar as a voice of reason and one that questions the motive of Romeo. In their eyes indicates that young men care only for aesthetics and not the true nature of a person, which can be found in the heart. Depending on how the line is spoken by an actor, the final part can be heard with a sense of innuendo. Here is an example of the conflict between aesthetic love and a quest for richer, deeper love. Too rash, too unadvised, too sudden. The character Juliet utters caution at the speed at which Romeo wishes the love to continue. The listing of negative connotations in association with their relationship indicates the character is logically aware of the ills of this intercourse but cannot or will not stop it. That links to stars and fortune. The lexis rash suggests speed, which shows no thought for the consequence and therefore highlights the conflict between youth and common sense. Romeo slew Tybalt, Romeo must not live. Justice and honour at this time are pivotal to social order, and this is fully exemplified in this quote. The use of rhyming couplets helps to create not only the sense of tired consequence to such an action, but also to engender a sense of finality. The modal verb must also helps to certify the notion that no other alternative can be sought, although Romeo is then banished. Do as thou wilt, for I am done with thee. The cold relationship between mother and daughter is finalised here through the lexis done. Lady Capulet is also chosen to follow the wishes of her husband rather than listening to the pleading of her child. Hang, beg, starve, die in the streets. Upon her refusal to marry Paris, Lord Capulet enters into an aggressive tirade with his daughter, uttering numerous violent verbs such as hang to indicate that going against his will means death. Well, it ironically did. The use of minor sentences also reflects a small amount of time Lord Capulet now has for his daughter. Put up thy swords, you know not what you do. Benvolio is trying to calm the brawl and restore peace to Verona. The lexis fools indicates that the character sees their behaviour as foolish and one that needs altering. You know not what you do also highlights the character can see the implications for such events and tries to act upon it, which is why Romeo keeps his marriage secret from Benvolio. The line also mirrors the words of Christ on the cross, and therefore Benvolio is the peacekeeper. What art thou drawn among these heartless hinds? Turn thee, Benvolio, look upon thy death. The introduction of the character Tybalt is instantly identified as an aggressive figure who has no qualms with injuring others. The metaphor heartless hinds suggests they are female deer, weak and full of fear. The adjective heartless is a pun. A male deer is known as a hart. The quote is also mocking Benvolio for being involved in the conduct of individuals who Tybalt sees as below himself, therefore again demonstrating the superiority the character feels, which is why he takes slander so badly. Talk of peace. I hate the word as I hate hell, all Montagues, and thee. The repetition of the lexis hate indicates that Tybalt is a fiery character full of anger. This also helps to foreshadow why the character is unforgiving when it comes to the actions of anyone associated with the Montague family. We think of Mercutio's death. The interrogative sentence suggests the character doesn't understand the notion of peace or is incredulous to it. So thank you. There's a great selection of key quotes analysis. It's now up to you to make sure you're using them in your essays. So good luck.